This iClicker tip video will show how you can edit the iGrader scores so students see a single running total for their clicker points instead of a column for every session. This is especially helpful for those using the Sakai gradebook. We'll begin by opening iGrader and going to our course. There are 4 columns here of data. We would like to have one summary column called clicker points posted to the Sakai gradebook. I have the iGrader formatted for Sakai, and I'm going to export this as a CSV file. The upload file, CSV, is created. I'll click OK. When the integration wizard opens up, I'll exit out of it. And we'll close iGrader. In our folder, either on our USB key or on our local machine, we're going to go to the Classes folder, the name of the course, and find the upload file CSV that we just created. Double click to open it and it will open in Excel. I'll increase the view a little bit. And now if you were to select the square in the upper left hand corner, to the left of the A and above the 1, all of the entire worksheet is selected. If you are to hover over any of the walls between any of the column headers, the letters, your cursor changes and a double click will readjust the size of those columns. You'll see the 4 columns worth of data with the date, a pipe sign, and the possible potential clicker points that day. So we'll see on 4-1 the possible points were 10, 4-4 is 7, 4-6 was 7, 4-8 was 8. So in column G, in cell 1, I'm going to type the header I want to see in Sakai, which is clicker points, followed by the pipe sign and the total number of points possible. So 10 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 is 32. When I hit enter, I move down to G2. I want to sum, auto sum, that's on the home ribbon, and click the auto sum icon, the values in columns C through F. So I hit enter and that formula is returned with a value of 22. When I click on it, I see the sum formula. If I click on cell G2 again and hover in the lower right hand corner, my cursor changes again to the autofill icon, and I can click and drag down to copy that formula all the way down as for my students. Now that this is selected though, I need to copy these formulas and do a paste special and paste the values. We want just the numbers that are returned for those values, not basing it on a formula anymore, because we need to delete columns C through F, C, D, E, and F, and then we'll delete those columns so that we're just left with the total. Were we to delete those columns while it was still basing these numbers here on a formula, these would all zero out. At this point, I will save my CSV file and click Yes. Then I'll close Excel, and at that time I can click No. So here we are back into our folder, and now we just need to upload the file to Sakai. So we'll go up a level and up one more level to our Classes folder, and there's a Resources folder. Double click Open Resources and choose the CMS Integrate Wizard. Log into Sakai. Make sure that it's the proper course that is selected, and export your scores. Once you receive the OK successful prompt, you can close out of this and open up Sakai. I already had it open to my gradebook for this course, so I'm going to just refresh the page, and you'll see that I have my score here of clicker points. The class average is 19 out of 32 points, and if I go to all grades, we'll see that it's related to the particular students ready to be released. As long as you keep replacing the clicker points column, you can do this process over and over again.